Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you a quick recipe as we are making these nice and delicious snacks that are mainly composed of eggs and potatoes. These snacks are very crunchy on the outside and the inside is so yummy. You are going to love it. And now guys, let's do this. So I used 5 medium-sized potatoes and 2 eggs, but change up the quantities depending on the amounts that you want to make. I just boiled my potatoes and now it's time to mash them. Just boil your potatoes to a point that they are soft and easy to mash, and also you are going to boil the eggs. So after mashing the potatoes for a while now, you are going to take the boiled eggs and now grate it into the mixture of potatoes. You can even cut into smaller pieces, but I find that grating is much easier as they are able to break down into smaller pieces. Grate the second eggs as well into the mixture of potatoes. And after grating everything, now it's time to season the potatoes and the eggs, and these are the spices I used. And of course you can change your spices depending on your taste and your preferences, and just add all the spices in there. My spices had a lot of turmeric and a lot of cumin powder, but you can change that. And also I used an onion. And after adding the spices, now go back in with the potato masher and just mash everything together, just to bring everything together rather. And after that, now grease your hands with oil. Now it's time to shape these, and it's easier to shape them with your hands greased with oil, because remember they are not so intact. And now you can see this is my preferred shapes, round ones. You can make any other shapes that you like. You can make kebab sizes, and this is what I preferred. And after, you can see all the ones that I got, they look so nice. They're almost the same size. And now you're going to need 1 egg and also breadcrumbs, and these breadcrumbs are homemade. I'm just going to write my recipe of making breadcrumbs at home on the description box, so be sure to check that out. And you're just going to take 1 ball at a time, put it in the egg and just roll it like shown on the video, and then now put it on the breadcrumbs to cover these balls with breadcrumbs. It's so easy, right? So you just put it on the breadcrumbs and you're going to cover that, and you're going to repeat this same process to all the other balls. And guys, if you like my videos, if you like my content, kindly give it a like, the video a like, and also do not forget to share these videos. Share it with your friends so that they can learn something from the videos. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn the notification bell on. So I just went ahead and added all the other balls into the eggs and to the breadcrumbs simultaneously, and this is what I get. And you're going to refrigerate these for 10 minutes just so that the breadcrumbs can stick on the balls well. And after that, now have your oil heated up, and now you're going to deep fry these. And you can see after refrigerating them, the breadcrumbs are so well held by the balls, and you're just going to fry them to golden brown color like shown on the video. But of course it all depends with your taste and your preferences. These snacks are so easy to make, perfect for breakfast. You can even make them for your kids for 4 o'clock tea. Yeah guys, you can see like my first one is already cooked, and you're just going to keep turning the rest just to ensure that all the sides are evenly golden brown, and just to ensure that they are well cooked on the outside. And at this point now, I was satisfied with the color, and I just removed them from the oil and now put the next batch to cook. That was an easy recipe, you guys. You can even try this when you are lazy to cook, when you feel like you do not want to do a lot of cooking. You can do this recipe, absolutely healthy, so simple, you can't even believe it. And now let's just cut the inside, these snacks, to see how they look on the inside. You can see the inside, the potatoes and the eggs have come together nicely, and also the spices. And I'm going to write all the spices that I used. And you can serve this with tomato sauce, any other sauce that you like. And thank you so much for watching.